This is B Mega Coach with PlanBTrader. I wanted to get you guys a affiliate walkthrough video so that you guys know how to get a new affiliate set up and how to operate in your affiliate area. So if you are setting up as a new affiliate, you're just going to go through here and put in all your information. You cannot sign up as an affiliate without a referral link or an invitation code. So whoever referred you to the site, you need to get that from them, or if you are a current affiliate, you need to make sure you provide either the invitation code or your affiliate URL, which I'm going to show you how to get. They'll put that here, or they'll put your full name, so they can put your first and last name here, however you have it listed in your affiliate back office. They'll put their information here, username, just do something short and sweet so it kind of shortens up your full affiliate link. Email, payment email. So this is if you have a different payment email to whether it be PayPal or Bitcoin email address, whatever it is, put that here. You don't have to put anything for website URL. This is only if you're promoting PlanBTrader on another site. You might want to put that here. How you'll promote us, put your password, confirm. You can go ahead and put in your BTC address or whatever cryptocurrency you want to be paid in, put that wallet here, and then boom, you go ahead and hit terms of use and privacy policy. You can read those down here, not a problem. Hit register, and then I'm going to show you what screen that's going to take you to. Once you sign in, it'll take you here, and then you'll be able to see your full dashboard. Pretty much what you see here, a lot of the stuff that you see on this vertical dashboard here is pretty much all right here. You can just click on your board display. First few tabs are all going to be like on one page. So here's all your statistics, unpaid referrals, paid referrals, how many visits, conversion rate. You can see your unpaid earnings, paid earnings. This is people who have signed up but have not paid yet. Commission rate is actually going to be 30. So this will be different. $30 because your first 3 direct referrals will pay for your monthly fee. In marketing, you want to make sure that you're very specific. Different campaigns you set up on your different platforms, whether it be Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, those are all different markets. So you're going to copy, and your imaging and everything is going to be different. This shows you all of your different information here, so you can see when you're going up, 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 like on a trade chart. So all the different referrals, you'll be able to see, you know, what type of traffic you're getting, if they're converting, if they're not, all of that. So you'll see all of that there. So that covers pretty much all of these first few sections. Every time you've been paid out, it'll be listed here. So you'll be able to see all your payouts, what was the status of them when they arrived, and if it was in crypto, which one it was. Basic information about you. So that's your information, and you'll register for payout service, and then that's where you'll actually register your wallet information. You saw visits on your dashboard. You can see that there. Webinars is just to register here for the different webinars that are available. And then we'll have a list of the actual live webinars. So this is where you can do custom invites. This is a pretty cool feature. So like, let's say you got like 5 or 6 people you want to invite. You can just send them a custom invite code. That's your invitation code that you saw when somebody is registering, and you need to make sure they're signing up under you. You want to give them that custom invitation code. You can list 5 or 6 emails here. You've been invited to PlanBTrader, and it'll send them invite code with an invitation to the site. Boom, they can just click on that, open up, and get started. I did want to show you this. This is where you create your first campaign. A lot of people have been asking, well, how do I get my URL? What's my URL? So it's right here. It's right under dashboard. You'll see affiliate URL, and that's your custom URL. Click on it and sign up as an affiliate. They'll be signing up right under you. Not a problem at all. Whatever username that you decided to use, you can put that here. Don't do this. You can put just, you know, your first name, last name, or just first name. That's all you need, because you'll have this particular URL, affiliate, referral, and then it'll just be your first name there. If you want to set up a campaign, if you're setting up, let's say you're setting up a campaign for LinkedIn, you'll go there, You'll put your LinkedIn, like that's, you can name your campaign. You don't have to, but you can, boom. And then you just generate URL, and then there's your campaign link. So now you can take that link and go and market to specific platforms for specific reasons. You may be marketing to dropping an ad in a network a newsletter. You know, let's say a local investing group that you're in. You may drop an ad in that particular newsletter, and you want to create a specific URL for that, so you know how many hits you're getting off of that particular link. That's very important in marketing, specific marketing, so that you can track, measure, and you know how to adjust. Your list of sub-affiliates is going to be all listed here in a tree format. You'll be able to see who's who and what's what. Under compensation plan, there's actually going to be images here. There's actually nothing here right now, but next week, probably when you guys look at this, there will be stuff here. There'll be the actual image for the compensation, and there will be a spreadsheet, but I'm going to get into that spreadsheet in just a second for you. You can contact customer support, create a customer support ticket. If you have any issues, you can go right here. You can drop you a customer support ticket right there, and we will get back to you. We'll make sure that that gets serviced. This is a live Bloomberg feed. So Bloomberg is the world financial news. They keep their finger on the pulse of everything that's happening globally in the world. So financial news that's coming out, it will be here. This tab, important dates, we're going to have important updates that are going on inside of PlanBTrader. If there's something specific happening, it'll all be listed here. So you guys will be able to keep up with that. FAQs is just basic FAQs. This is going to be a growing body of knowledge. The more questions that people are asking, we're going to be just adding to this list. This is just our basic contact information and log out. So that's pretty much it for the affiliate walkthrough. Let's go over here to my wallet. Once you top up your wallet, you'll be able to see all your transaction here, your balance. You can do support tickets for your wallet if there's anything you need to do there. These are different products you may have downloaded or purchased on the site, and then you can go back to your dashboard. So that's pretty much how your wallet works. If you need any help with the setup, you can go here, installing the MT4 and all of that. Some people are having a little bit of issues with that. It's really very simple. However, some people are needing help. You'll be able to go here and book an appointment. It will cost $49 one-time fee just for somebody to like set everything up for you. You should be able to do it on your own. The walkthrough video shows you how. However, if you need some specialized attention to do that, you can book an appointment. Many people ask, how do we get to $10,000 a month? Like, that's the main thing they want to know. I wanted to make sure that we had a special spreadsheet to show you exactly how to do that, because we're very business oriented, and we know that it's very important to be able to track and see visually how you can get and accomplish your goals. So 10K a month, you want to focus on ONYX. This is just focusing on your direct referrals. And the reason we say that is because if everyone in the business focus strictly on their first level, then they'll be able to scale up to the top ranks. 10K a month is a simple deal. If you get 3 core member signups daily, focus on the marketing and sales process and the execution of that. That'll be 90 core members a month. 90 times 30, that's 2,700, plus your fast start bonus. Now, I know many of you are like, fast start bonus, what's that? Okay, so when you first get your initial setup, for our initial launch, that was way, but it's not going to be like that forever, because there are costs. The initiation setup fee is going to be $125. So that will be a person's initial fee to get started with PlanBTrader. $125 plus their $89.97 a month. You'll get 50% of that as your fast start bonus. $125, $62.50 times 90 is a total of $56.25. So $56.25 plus the 27 is $83.25 a month. Let's look at how this scales out. So first month, if you stick to the plan and you work and you do what you need to do, then this is what your first month is going to look like, $83.25. Month 2, stick to the same script, $16,650 a month. Month 3, month 4, all the way up to month 4, you can be at over 30 grand a month. You can really scale up with this business, and I promise you, the Forex market is wide open. People are at home. They want to learn how to make money. They really are trying to figure it out, and this is the best way to financial independence, is learning how to trade. If you just do one a day, then your monthly potential earnings will look like that. If you were to do 10 for the month, 20 for this month, 30 for this month, all I'm saying is this is a calculator. You guys can actually see, you can kind of scale out and predict what your money is going to look like. And this does not include, this is just one income pipeline with PlanBTrader. This does not include your trading, which is your earned income. And this does not include your passive vehicle, which is Maccabee. So make sure you guys use your tools. So product payout calculation, this is just a list of our products and what they cost for us to actually maintain these products and distribute these products. One-time cost and ongoing cost. That's the retail cost. This is the gross profit. This number that you see here, this is what it costs to produce these particular products. Until those products have sold, they're break even. It's actually a loss. Anyway, you get a 50% commission on the gross of these products. On the membership fees, you actually get over 50%, almost 60% on the core membership. So $30 is your payout. This is your payout on each one of these products. So you know how much you're going to make on any product that you sell. These are your fast start bonus commissions. On the 10K, the 30-day launch of the 10K, you didn't really get to see how you can scale the business all the way to your 10 levels deep. It was really just a focus on ONYX level. And the reason for that is because that's where you make most of your money. You start out as a core member. This is your rank up chart. You'll start core, but you're selling to become ONYX. So you're selling core members and you get a 33% commission, which is $30. Once you get 3, then you move up to ONYX. Each one of your ONYX members are going to get 3. Now your team member is 9, and then you'll move up to silver. As you scale up, your first level is going to be 33%, 2.5 on the next 6 levels until you get to crown. Then it goes up to 3, 4 on legacy, and 5 on empire. And the reason we did that is because we want to incentivize you for building your business out to the top level. This is what it looks like. These are your level sales volume for core, and this is the commission for coach. Based on those numbers, this is your commission. This is gross sales all the way up to level 10. You add all those up, you continue to build your business out and just meet these number goals, you're looking at $361,544.45 per month. You can really scale up and make amazing money with this company. This is the ranks and level of those different pay structures. So there's 5 levels, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see how they scale here. We do have some leadership bonuses in place as well. We'll talk about that in our next compensation plan video. This is the main information that you definitely need to be aware of. How do I get paid? What does my business look like as I scale? And if I choose to scale, how do I see it? I hope that helps you guys out a lot. You definitely should be able to see what you can do and kind of go in here and play with the numbers. We have no issues helping you guys scale and figure out how to win in this business. Thank you guys so much. I'm B Mega Coach, PlanBTrader. Be bold, be the bank, be a trader.